Hot air balloon. Takot yan.
There's another one. Come.
Yeah. This way.
Here. Ba't nandiyan kayo sa dulo? Pwede doon dito?
Tayo kasi.
Ay, hindi naman to yung mismong hot air balloon. Pinapaakyat lang na gano'n.
Ha? Wala.
Ba't nandiyan kayo sa dulo? Pwede doon dito.
Hindi ang kamay ka.
Okay, hello. My name is Dia. I'll be the pilot with you.
Yes.
First 3 meters we go up slowly. We have to separate and hold either this side or
Okay.
the back side.
Sure.
We have to separate around
Dulo
here.
ka.
Ah,
Okay, so I'm here.
You can be opposite me, please.
Here?
yeah.
On the left side, yes. After 3 meters, I'll let you know when you can raise your hand and we start moving, okay?
Okay.
If you're scared to look at the bully here, you can look at the back. It's fine.
Okay.
It's okay to put my water in the...
Yeah, it's fine.
Akala ko lahat tabi-tabi tayo. Magkakalayo pala.
Eh, gano'n napapala natin. Sige. Masit kamay ka.
Woo! Hot air balloon.
We're about to go. Hi. Guys.
Woo!
Guys.
Yes!
Guys.
Uy, takot na isa doon!
Wala kayo. Ano kaya siya? Ba't ka nakatago na dyan? Oh, nagtatago na yung isa. But I've always wanted to do this.
Pero hindi ito yung traditional na hot air balloon kasi
Mangingi
meron
na lang ako sa'yo ng ano, Micah.
Ha?
Ay!
Nang?
Mangingi na lang ako ng video sa'yo.
No problem.
Magla-live ako.
Sure. Ooh!
Okay, good now. We can release your hands. You're fine.
Okay. So we can go together?
Yes.
Okay.
Can go.
Pwede na rin tayo. Halika na dito.
Wait, we're going up. We're in the hot air balloon.
Halika na. Halika na. Dito ka.
It's very high. No way.
Takot dito. Halika na. Oh. Halika dito.
Parang ano to
Halika.
eh. You know in Shrek movie, Donkey, don't look down. Sabi ni Donkey, Shrek, I'm
Tingin dito.
looking down. I'm not gonna look down.
Ah! Takot na takot to.
Oh my God, my feet is ticklish.
Ah!
Huwag kang mahalikot.
Huwag kang mahalikot.
But it's very beautiful up here. Huwag lang tumingin sa baba. I cannot. My feet is ticklish.
Oo.
I cannot.
Kinto. Takot siya.
Wow. We're going up, my friend.
We'll see how's the wind and we're looking from 150 up to 250 meters.
So how many meter is this now?
This one is 66 now.
Still 66?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Lord Jesus, help me.
Don't ask about the height, just enjoy the view.
Yes, ang taas. Wait,
trying,
wait. Tumayo ka.
Girl, ganito na lang.
Ang
girl,
ganda
oh.
ng Petra, bilis. Oh.
Saan ang Petra?
Hindi, tumingin ka na lang doon. Huwag ka nang tumingin sa baba.
Oh,
Ayan.
saan ang Petra na?
Ito. Lahat ito.
Ito na yung lalakarin natin.
Wadi
ng-
Musa to daw.
Yun yung lalakarin natin.
Ng 5 hours?
Inshallah.
I cannot.
Oh.
I cannot. Ngalambot ang tuhod ko.
Okay.
We're right now at 220 meters above the ground, okay? We can't go more higher because it's windy.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me start with you from here. You see between the mountains here, there is a stairs. You can see the stairs?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where, yeah. How
Yes.
is
No,
it?
I can
It's
see
your-
it.
this one-
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, this one will take you up to an old Roman castle. It's almost 2,000 years old.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
But it's damaged years after years. That's the only remaining marks.
Ah.
Okay.
You see there is a lines and
Yes.
marks
Yeah.
up
Yes,
there.
yes, yes.
So if you will go there, you see right behind this mountain there is like a white roof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the old church.
Of
Okay.
Catholic?
Yes.
Catholic Church?
Yeah.
No, it's not Catholic. It's
It's a church.
It's a church.
Yeah. where people gather and
Catholic,
pray.
so-
Yeah.
It's Catholic.
It's
This
Catholic
one is-
church.
The Catholic one.
This
The
is a
Jesus-
castle.
This one,
This is the castle.
This one is castle. That's
Yeah.
one,
So if you see the green trees over there.
yeah.
On the left side there is a big one. There is an old building. That's the old temple.
What happened?
That's fine. That's the radio.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So that's the old temple. You see the holes at the mountain there?
Yeah.
That's the real tombs.
Ah,
So if you go up at the top of that mountain, there is a white dome. You see it?
yeah.
That's the shrine of Prophet Aaron, Moses' brother.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Ah,
Okay.
wow.
So here there is a camp. You see there is a white road. The end
Yeah.
of the road there is
Yeah.
a camp.
Yeah.
On the right of the camp, between the mountains underneath, you will find the treasury.
Oh, wow.
So we will be doing this tour later because we're going inside.
Okay, so once you will start going from there,
We're
all
going
way
to the back.
From the back, yes.
Yeah.
You will go and you will cover. It will be on your left side the church, and your
Yeah.
right side the old temple.
Yeah.
There is a monastery and all these things. So you complete your way, you will reach the treasury.
We walk?
Wow. Going down.
Ano ka dali? Gabit ka.
Ano, pag nag-ano, tingnan mo naman ito, matibay ba to?
Huwag kang maingay ko, matibay yan. Matibay yan.
Takot na
Ikaw
takot
mag-isip
yung
na
mga
mag-ano,
madams ko.
Matibay yan. Super tibay.
Alam mo, hindi pa bumababa.
Hindi pa nga.
Oh my goodness. Ang taas ano?
Kaya nga eh.
Grabe. Ngayon ko lang
Ano, kalahati pa lang yan.
Ngayon ko lang. Ayan, natapos na rin kami at may mga dalawang babaeng nanginig. Nanginig ng nanginig.
Kung saan mo kami pinagdadala, Petra lang talaga ang usapan eh.
Now we're going inside the Wadi Musa in Petra. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Thank
Nice to meet you.
Sana pa yung lip balm ko?
Shukran.